everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with something that's pretty special and I'm excited about it. It's the new BLU G9 Pro and this is my unboxing video. So they had the G9 that came out a couple of months ago and they decided to kick things up a notch. If remember the old Emeril Lagasse cooking show, used to cook everything up a notch. And or take everything up a notch. And that's what they've done with the G9 Pro. It's still got the 6.3-inch screen, but they took it up to 1080p. It's got the MediaTek Helio P60 processor, and it's got a lot more power, AI technology, 128 gigabytes of internal storage, 4 gigabytes of RAM, a 24 megapixel selfie camera. It's got a triple camera array, a 20 megapixel, a 16 megapixel, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. So you get all sorts of cool new features that you can take your pictures with. Micro SD card support up to 128 gigabytes, and it's got a 4,000 milliamp battery. It's got 18-watt wired charging and 10-watt wireless charging, and running the latest Android 9.0. And now that I've gone on and on about the specs, here is the actual phone, and it looks completely gorgeous. So in typical BLU fashion, it's got the little sticker on the front that talks about some of the finer details again, and then the back of it just looks really cool. It's got this wavy pattern, and I think it's kind of cool. And I believe it's intentional that they made it look wavy. You look at the box, it's got the water and the sharks on it. And it gives it kind of like a prismatic, oceanic look to it. So like if you're looking through the ripple effect, you look into like some really clear blue water. And it looks really, really good. It turned out great, actually, I think. So everything's nice. It's even got this kind of gradient purple or indigo color around the edges that ties in. So it's very subtle, but it's a different color there as well. But you got the USB-C charging port on the bottom. You still got the headphone jack, the microphone up top. You've got the teardrop. Oh, that's cool. I got my finger timed perfectly with a little drop there on, completely unintentionally. But it's got the teardrop cut out for the camera, which one is, of course, the 24 megapixel selfie camera, but also works for your facial scanning as well. So you can use that advanced biometric. You've got this cool looking braided looking charging cable, which complements the phone and the rest of the package really nicely. It's USB-C. It works with the included power brick, which gives you up to the 18 watts of charging power now, which will get you recharged quick, fast, and in a hurry. It also has 10 watts of wireless charging capability, which is top notch, and it's running Android 9.0, the latest and greatest that Android has to offer. You have your blue earphones here with your silicone tips on them. They look like they're nice and comfortable. There's no little mute button on here anymore, but it does still have the microphone built into it so you can answer phone calls. There's your silica gel, so toss that off to the side. Don't eat it. You have your SIM ejector tool. You got your cool blue swag, so if you want to put the sticker on something. You have your documentation that doesn't matter what language it's in because nobody reads it. And then here, it wouldn't be blue if they didn't give us a case to go with it. So it's only one case this time. It's a clear case, and it seems like it's made from much better material. It's much more thick. It seems like the quality is just better. It seems more like a $10 to $14 clear case instead of like a $5 clear case. So this one seems like it's going to hold up better. And then we've got our glass screen protector with a little microfiber cloth in there as well. I wish that they would put some like some screen protector liner stickers, alignment stickers in here that you could use to install it, or a wet wipe. Maybe they'll watch this video and in the future they'll be like, hey, we'll throw these guys a wet wipe and the stuff they need to install this. But other than that, you do have a glass screen protector straight out of the box. So first impressions on this are, I really, really like what they've done here. It's got a nice weight to it. And the way that it looks is just fantastic. You got the bold logo down there. And then, of course, like I said, you've got that triple camera array on the back and then the fingerprint sensor. Everything on this does seem like it's more pro. You know, that's the word they're throwing around for 2019. So this is the enhanced model of the G9. And I think they really hit a lot of bases and a good home run with this one. So that's all I've got on my unboxing and initial thoughts and impressions on the BLU G9 Pro. If you got any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. And as always, I'll see you guys next time.